Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on piano hard. We will dive into the intricate details of this beautiful piece, focusing on advanced techniques that elevate your performance. You'll learn to navigate complex harmonies, master dynamic contrasts, and apply effective practice methods. Our goal is to transform your playing, allowing you to deliver a truly captivating and expressive rendition of this beloved song. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your piano skills. Love Story features a beautiful chord progression, primarily using D, A, B minor, and G major. For an advanced sound, incorporate inversions, such as D major in its first inversion and B minor in its second inversion. A key element is the modulation from D major to E major, requiring a shift to chords like E, B, C sharp minor, and a major. Practice these transitions slowly, ensuring each chord voicing is clear and resonant, adding depth to your performance. Achieving an advanced performance of Love Story involves mastering its rhythm and dynamics. Aim for a steady tempo of around 119 beats per minute. Employ a wide dynamic range, from a soft mezzo piano to a strong forte, to highlight emotional shifts. Strategic use of the damper pedal is crucial for smooth transitions and rich sustain, avoiding muddiness. Pay close attention to rhythmic accuracy and articulate your phrasing to truly tell the song's romantic story. To truly master Love Story, smart practice is essential. Begin by isolating challenging sections, practicing them in small, focused segments. Work on each hand independently to build precision and muscle memory before combining them. A metronome is your best friend. Start at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing speed only when accuracy is perfect. Aim for 100% note accuracy in every repetition. Consistent, deliberate practice will solidify your technique and lead to a confident, flawless performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.